Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete an article on Zendesk. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in zendesk.com and press enter. Now from the Zendesk homepage, click on the sign in button at the top section and then proceed with your email address and your password to log into your account. Once you have been logged in, you will be taken into your homepage. Now if you wish to delete the articles, then to access the articles menu, click on the square icon at the top right corner alongside the notifications bar. Now from the drop down menu, click on a guide and you will be taken into the community page. From this page, you will see an add button at the top section. Click on this button and then click on article. Now you will be taken into the articles menu. To delete an existing article, click on manage articles and you will see all of the articles that you have. You can simply click on the check boxes at the left side to choose the articles that you want to delete. And now at the bottom section, click on article settings and then choose delete. You will now be asked whether you are sure that you want to delete these articles. Click on the delete button once again and these articles will be deleted right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your articles on Zendesk. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.